let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Our brains are amazing machines. They can hear the sounds of the ocean as one sound, or, if we focus, we can divide the sounds in our minds to hear just one sound at a time. Listen carefully now and try to hear all of the different sounds of the ocean. Now, let's try to pick out separate sounds, one at a time. Try to focus on the sound of the waves. Focus on just the sound of the waves. Try to focus on just the sound of the gulls. Try to hear just the sound of the ocean birds and gulls flying through the air. Try to hear just the sound of the wind now. Focus on just the sound of the wind. In the distance, try to hear the sound of the boats clanging in the harbour as they get gently jostled by the ocean waves. Try to hear just the sound of gentle wind chimes in the distance. Take a couple moments now to imagine yourself by the ocean. What might you see? Who might you be with? Enjoy this relaxed time by the ocean. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.